Now to observe what is happening at the national headquarters, the attack.
It has come to our notice the campaign of calumny they are putting to the public that we had nothing to show. This document shows the chronicle of what has transpired between August 2023 up to date. This document is a chronicle. This document chronicles every transaction that we made within the period under review. We had court cases that are yet to be determined. Even the cases they said has been determined in their favor are chronicled here. Nothing is removed or added. So the cases that are still pending in court are here. Cases they said they won are embedded here. Now, so whoever wants it, and this one has been circulated to the authorities, the security agencies, the Ministry of Labour, and since 2023, August, September, every aspect of our movement here, every decision that we will take, everything we will do, we write and take the authority of the Ministry of Labour and Employment, who is the supervisory ministry on all trade union, registered trade union in Nigeria. Up national, progress, and I'm sure all our state chairmen, you have these copies in your state. A copy has been dispatched to every state council ever since. You have that copy. So wherever they call you, please go and carry this, take it to which authority that invited you, and this document will speak for itself. That is one. Two, on the case they said they won now, don't let us deceive ourselves. They said they went for interpretation. In this one too, they asked for execution of the judgment so gotten by them. The court declined. Is his heir. All of them are here. They are chronicled here. See, the journalists, see it. It's a public document. If you want a copy, we will give it to you any moment. Make your demand. But I'm sure a copy each is with our state council leadership. With the case currently being peddling around that they won, yes, the case has equally been appealed. We have entered appeal, and a stay of execution has equally been entered. This is the document.
Court orders or court injunction, and today is crying and shouting about having court judgment here and there. So who is to blame? How can he come into the union second term leadership through the back door? It cannot work. I've also heard the interview recently talking about this judgment, talking about him not being able to enforce the judgment. For the records, to put the record straight, the substantive case that challenged Alhaji Baruwa's election on the 24th, that is that zonal delegate conference, the only delegate conference that would have given him the right, if he won properly, by the right means, that is the only proper means that would have given him the right of coming back as the president. But that he did not get right. And for that, I don't think there's any law, there's any issue, there's any way that he can get it right. All this one is doing is going through the back door. This case, as we are talking, is still persistent in the court as at today.
Leaders of various state councils.
Unfortunate that he got the first tenure with luck. Let me come to power. Then that's why me as the state chairman of Edo. Such president, am I not supposed to loyal to him? All the Edo State Council, we are loyal to MC Oluomo.
Thank you, sir.
He's our president. And nothing will remove him until he's 8 years. So shall it be. Son of the union, one day. When I was fighting in the Edo State, for Odionlaye become a state chairman for good 21 years, which they never see in life. I took him to court. They go. He's not worth to be president. For the second tenure, I told him before that day that he see the first tenure, he will never see the second tenure. By the grace of God. My name is Saturday Oluomo because all the LGBT when he play, God prove am. When MC Oluomo come here as a state national president, he opened our file to say why I do it like this. How can somebody spend 21 years in seat, say it's not done anywhere? What is the man that win a court? I come out to say I'll be one. I bring out my judgment. I win him in the Dorsa court. I win him in the appeal court. And the man said he don't respect the constitution.
It's a leader that follows the constitution of the union. They abide with the rules of the union. And it's a leader that maintains peace. You can see what happens in the national headquarters here. When Baruwa went to go and hire thugs who are not members of NURTW, miscreants, hooligans, they burst into the office. This office, he said he want to acquire, he want to come and stay, to rule. They burst in, they stole all our goods, they stole all the properties belonging to the union, they destroyed the union's property, and they steal. And this is the president who want to come and use he abused of the privilege on constitutional act, abuse of power, hooliganism, and etc. that does not follow the rules of the union. The government of Lagos State disbanded, and that is where we produce the president, Southwest. There's nothing we can do. Everyone was in disarray. Until he managed to finish his tenure, the first tenure, the 4 years. So we were trying to make sure he go for the second time. This is where the leaders of the union, the members of the union in the Southwest, or and other places disagree with him. We now bring our protest before the national headquarters here. We have also agreed and other zonal places where the union is. They all come.
kuma wanda ko ce president MC Oluomo ko ce